Everyone, this is Kivo Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Dawn Bell has to offer.
Every problem, but we can choose to help one person. We can choose to help one community, one family, do one deed at a time.
Alam mo,
Real change
pag
happens
magsalita
when
siya,
people just
alam mo
choose
yung
to
galing
care.
sa puso niya talaga, no? Aside sa full of
I
substance.
think
You know what I
it's
mean?
reminding that
Kaya bagay na bagay talaga sila ni Belle. Pwede ito maging inspirational speaker eh.
part of a select few.
Select
Something
few.
every single one of us can do every single day. Very humbling award, honestly. And I don't know if I'm deserving of it, but I really appreciate
Deserve mo yan? Bakit naman hindi?
these things alone. So first of all, I want to thank Danny for this, but also I would like to thank my team and my family who have been there with me and supporting me all throughout. Serving people is not about how much you can give, how grand your contributions can be. It's honestly just caring enough to show up, and that's really enough. So God bless. To God be the glory. Have a great time. Thank you.
Yung mahaba pala yung speech niya. Oh, typhoon victims. Grabe naman. Pati si Belle ata, gumaganyan din si Belle. Dear, kung hindi, Lord, kung hindi man nakatulad ni Donnie, wag na lang. Sila, juicy na, crisis na, juicy pa. Ganun yon. So, marami pala talaga, tinan mo marami pala talaga siyang hindi lang sa mga bagyo, marami pala talaga siyang charity.
I would also like to thank my brand partners. More than business partners, they're also like
Family.
family to me.
Family na talaga niya.
But
Ang tagal niya na sa Sun Life, no? Di ba may Sun Life siya?
without us having to ask.
I Am World, tama? I Am World din ba siya? Gwapo. Ano nga yung sasakyan na ini-endorse
Yung
niya?
time.
Yeah, of course.
Ay.
It's like it doesn't even go through me now. It just goes straight. Every time money is with me, that's already subtracted with everything. Nothing is ours anyway. Diba? It's all just lent to us. What's 10%? Diba? What's 10% to give back?
Ay, yung tights. Oh my God, nahiya naman ako. Nahiya ako. Sorry
Tunato. Thank
Ay,
you. Thank you for being my partner through every chapter of these 7 years. Thank you for being the most reliable anchor throughout this whirlwind of a ride. From our very first
Ganda ng letter ni Belle dito.
You've been my constant
You've been my constant
teammate, my
partner. Ayun mo. Ang galing ni Dawn Bell gumawa ng ni Cara, ng mga video. Yung pinag-compile niya, magaling talaga siya. Paano yung nagagawa yan? Diyos ko. It take time ba? It took time. Kasi ang daming videos, hanapin mo pa. Hindi ako nangungulangot, naglalagay ako ng bricks. I am always be your cheerleader. Sana all cheerleader. Right? Sana all talaga. Beautiful cheer. Genuine love. Ganda ng words niya. True. Charis, kinilig si Akla. Kilig na kilig si Akla. Okay. Love. Belle. Love it. Ay, ano to?
So yeah, it's really important that in this day and age when wanting to be
Sorry, Donnie, hindi ako
is such a big
sunlife
thing
eh.
or
Puro
overthinking
life ako.
about
Ay,
ito
sorry,
kasi yung
Donnie,
tao na yan,
ah.
may ganyan, so kailangan ganyan din ako or parang kino-consider mo na yung mga achievements ng iba bago yung sa
Yes.
sarili mo.
Yes.
Nag-overthink ka
Yes,
na kasi
Ah.
baka yung bagay na ito hindi magiging successful. All of those things contribute to why you're not able to start in the first place. But if you just put that aside and just say, hey, I'm gonna take a leap of faith and let's see what happens. You'll be surprised about what can happen, what the outcome can be of that.
Yeah, sobrang important nun, taking that first step, taking that leap of faith. Because sometimes it might get risky, it might be tricky, but parang for sure naman, mapupunta ka sa destination na yun on your right pace also.
Hi guys! So, currently we're here ngayon sa Hanggang Park. I don't know if I said it right.
When was this one? Oh, I see yung baby. Ah, okay. Yeah. I know this. Is this a smart or sa phone? Parang phone, oo, nag-Korea sila. Ay, gawin, inuwi siya talaga yung buhok ni Ben. Na parang may karapatan siya mag-ayos. Charit! Na parang bang jowa siya na may karapatan siya mag-ayos, no?
Like when
Oh,
we're doing the customization after the case. Super happy guys.
the way defense happiness.
When we see a new face,
Hala na, mag-miss ko to. Nakalimutan ko na nga to yung sinabi na ganito eh.
parang hindi mawala yung excitement. It's nice to see.
Talaga ba? Ganun
Always
yun.
more.
Si Bel. Bel, titignan mo niyang Bel.
This is the last spiel we're gonna do. So you have to say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Jalgayo!
But I think me and Belle decided that for this specific project,
was
it will be our last one on the project for now.
Oh. Makikita mo si Donnie, malungkot talaga eh. Si Belle ang umiyak, pero si Donnie, yung kung sino pa nga yung hindi nagpapakitang umiiyak, yun pa yung mas lalong malungkot. Kasi yun yung, alam mo yung nagtatataga na lang talaga. You know what I mean? Yun siya eh.
Masarap magmahal. Don't be scared. Sarap kasi
Ay,
magmahalin.
talaga? Kung ikaw ba naman ang magmamahal, bakit hindi? Tiyari. Diba? Kung ikaw ba naman ang magmamahal, sa palagay mo, aalma kami, Donnie? Kaya nga, Bel, maswerte ka talaga, Bel. Sa'yo lahat yan. Nakapag-best actor na ba si Donnie? Can someone comment down below? Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Kiki Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!